Today there are AI-based services everywhere online. Some of you might have wondered, what AI service can I use to get answers for something I'm curious about on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform? I will answer that in a bit, just watch this. Did you know that there is an AI service that runs on your 3DEXPERIENCE platform that you can use to ask questions and get answers? In this video, I will first tell you where to find it. We are now at 2025X-FD03 and the service I'm talking about is called Aura. Aura is currently in beta, meaning it's not fully developed. You can still access it though, and it will be able to give you some really nice feedback depending on the situation. Here's where you find it. So from inside SOLIDWORKS, you can go to the compass button, then to the 3D Stream app, and then choose more. And then you'll have an Aura button down here. This will open up a chat interface where you can create a new chat and just start typing your question. In this case, we want to know how to create a family table on a drawing. And we'll get a quite nice step-by-step description on how to do that. So basically you can ask any kind of question. It's important to know that currently Aura does not see what you are doing in SOLIDWORKS. So you cannot really ask it questions regarding the specific file that you're working on. That will probably change sometime in the future, as far as I know. But you can ask other kinds of questions, like how-to questions, how to release a drawing, and things like that. Another place where you can access the Aura service is from your dashboard. If you go to the community tab in this dashboard and to the 3D Stream app, you can see that you have other conversations with Aura from earlier, and you can type in questions there as well and get answers. So that's another place where you can access the same service. There are actually several AI functions here and there in the SOLIDWORKS portfolio today. In XDesign you have the Design Assistant, which will help you save time on adding fillets and placing many equal components with mates. With SOLIDWORKS 2025 there is a function to auto-generate drawings from a model, and these are just some examples of what is here today, and we do expect more AI-enhanced tools to come out in future releases. In 3DEXPERIENCE World 2025, SOLIDWORKS CEO Manish Kumar showcased a handful of really interesting AI-based tools that they are working on. And Aura, which came out recently, is more similar to a chat interface where you can ask questions in natural language and get answers back. I think that one way to use Aura, which will gain some popularity, is simply asking it about how to do certain things on the platform. Like how to apply an enterprise item number, or ask it what rights that are necessary to be able to release things. As with all AI services, beta or not, I would probably make sure to check the answers before using them in a short project situation. So for now, this is where you find it. I will create different videos on how to use it. We can probably expect more Aura updates to come out in the following releases of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and personally I'm really looking forward to see what it can do for me. That's it for now, see you next time.